readings TA and TB of two Celsius thermometers A and B agree at ice point and steam point, but elsewhere are related by the equation TA equal to L plus M into TB plus N into TB square, where L, M and N are constants. When both the thermometers, it is A and B, are immersed in a system of fluid, A reads L1 degree centigrade. At that time, thermometer B reads 10 degrees centigrade. So determine the reading on A when B registers 37.4 degree Celsius. See, both are immersed in a system of fluid. At that time, A reads L1 degree and B reads 10.7 degree. So he has asked, determine the reading on thermometer A when thermometer B registers 37.4 degree Celsius. So already he has told that both the thermometers A and B agree at the ice point and steam point. So it is the Celsius thermometer. So ice point we are going to consider it as 0 degree Celsius and steam point 100 degree Celsius. And these thermometers, these are related by this equation. We'll see here in the problem. See here. First part, temperature TA, that is TA equal to L plus M into TB plus N into TB square. This is already given in the problem. So at ice point, both the thermometers TA equal to TB equal to 0 degree Celsius, definitely. And at steam point, TA is equals to TB is equals to 100 degree Celsius. So let me write the value of ice point here, that is 0 equal to TA. I will substitute here 0, L I will write as it is plus M into, I will write the value of TB as 0 only, because at ice point both the thermometers are agreeing the steam point and the ice point. So here temperature on the thermometer B at ice point also it is 0 degree only. So M into 0 plus N into 0 square, it will be 0 only. So therefore L equal to 0. Now we'll substitute the value of L in this equation for steam point. Therefore at steam point TA and TB equal to 100. So 100 I will write here equal to L value just now we have calculated as 0 plus M into TB is 100. That means thermometer on temperature on thermometer B is 100 at steam point. So this equation I am writing it for steam point. So this equation I have written it for ice point. So plus N in the bracket 100 square. We'll solve this equation 100. This will be 0. So this is 100 M plus 100 square N. So in order to simplify the equation, so I have divided this entire equation by 100 to make our simplification easier. So 100 divided by 100 it is 1. So this will be M plus 100 into 100. The 100 square means it is 100 into 100. So 100 it gets cancelled. So this is 100 into N. Let me call this equation as equation 1. So in the problem only already he has given thermometer A reads L1 degree and thermometer B reads 10 degree when both are immersed in a system of fluid. So let me substitute those values here. That is TA equal to L1 degree equal to L we have calculated 0 plus M into 10 plus N into 10 square. So L1 is equals to 10 M plus 100 N. Let me call this equation as equation 2. So in order to calculate the constant values, that is M and N, already L we have calculated. So in order to calculate the remaining two constants, so we have to solve equation 1 and 2, then only we are going to get any one constant value. So first equation I have written 1 equal to M plus 100 N. Now L1 equal to 10 M plus 100 N. So I have changed the signs of the equation. So plus 100 N minus 100 N gets cancelled. So minus L1 plus 1 it will be minus 10. So this is minus 9 M. So therefore M is equals to 10 divided by 9. So equal to 1.111. So now we will substitute the value of this M in any one equation to calculate the another constant value, that is n. So now in the first equation I will substitute 1 is equals to m is 1.111 plus 100, and I have substituted the value of m in this equation. So with this I will shift this 1.11 to this side to calculate the value of n. So 1 minus 1.11 equal to 100 n. So therefore n is equals to minus 0.001. If we'll substitute, if we'll simplify for this n value, we'll get one answer here. Therefore n equal to this answer divided by 100. We are going to get finally n this value. Now in the main we'll substitute all the values of L, M and N in order to read the temperature on the thermometer A. So therefore TA equal to L value is 0 plus M value is 1.11. Temperature on the thermometer B is 37.4 minus this is N value 0.0011. Temperature on thermometer B is 37.4 whole bracket square. So if we'll simplify this, we are going to get the temperature on the thermometer A is equal to 40.012 degrees Celsius, and the temperature on thermometer B reads 37.4. And the temperature on thermometer B is 37.4. At that time, the temperature on thermometer A is 40.012 degree Celsius. So this is the procedure how to calculate the values of the constants and the temperature on the thermometer.